Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today, if you don't know, I'm going to make Fall Guys update a series. So today I have so many so many information related to Fall Guys mobile. So yeah, and I want to say thank you for Socks for letting me use some of his footages of his videos. So yeah guys, and I want to also say thank you to you because in my last video just got 5 likes, so that's really exciting for me. So yeah, so today I'm so let's just right into it. So today the first news that we have is, if you don't know, that Fall Guys, and my last video as I said that Fall Guys mobile just released a pre-registrations of it on an app known as TapTap, but for some reason they just removed it, and that's really, I don't have any information that why did they remove it, but there are some many speculations. Some of them are saying that they just put the registrations on TapTap to just create a little bit hype, but that's not confirmed. So yeah, so the second thing that we should talk about is going to be, if you don't know that, you can see a gameplay of Fall Guys mobile on the official channel of Fall Guys. Right now you can just see it, and go to the channel, and you will be able to at least get a how it's going to work a little bit. So yeah, I think the official channel name of the Fall Guys is like a Fall Guys skins. So you can see that Fall Guys mobile. Just search there, Fall Guys skins. What do you say? Fall Guys skins, and search first look or gameplay of Fall Guys mobile. So you will be able to see it, and I think that's a really exciting thing to. And the next thing is, if you don't know, there has been an announcement done by some developers of Fall Guys mobile. So the information that they have given us that is that you will be able to maybe start pre-registration in some countries, and only for iOS in the month of September, and the beta is just only going to be for only for iOS users in some particular countries. I think that it's going to release in China, Japan, and I'm not pretty sure about that, but Canada also. They will release which countries are going to get the beta version of it, but these three countries are pretty much that it is guaranteed that these three countries are going to get it. So yeah, and the next thing is that what do you say, Fall Guys mobile could globally launch in the what do you say in January or February of the next year. And I know that's very late and you guys don't have that patience, but still yeah, we should at least wait for some time, because it is a really good game. And I also think that the developers are thinking to make it a cross platform game. So yeah, I think, but that's going to be a little bit unfair, because the PC users and console users are going to have a very good advantage against the users of mobile or other stuff. So yeah, and the next thing is that you can download Fall Guys mobile. Yes, you heard that right. But the thing is that you will not be able to play online. You can only invite your friends and then play. If you try to join any lobby, it will show that there's no one online. And so yeah, it's like you can play offline with your friends. And so yeah, but it's going to be a little boring. I would prefer to just wait for some time for the release of Fall Guys mobile, because I have tried to play it, and I think it's pretty boring. You're just going to get bored of it after some time. So yeah, and the last news that we have is that, if you don't know, that it is a good thing for Android users. That is, after what do you say, Android version of Fall Guys mobile could release before the global launch of it. So if you don't know what do I mean by this, is that mostly people, like, I will give you an example, that is Brawl Stars. Brawl Stars is a popular game. So basically the thing that they did was, in their beta launch they just released it for iOS, and after some time they also released it for what do you say, Android. And Fall Guys is almost going to do the same thing, and I think that's going to be really good thing, because I've seen so many companies even not launching their Android version of their games. But yeah, and also another thing is that Fall Guys mobile could be between like 350 or 360 MB around. It's not definitely not going to be like 1 or 2 GB as some people are saying, but it's not a very good game, and it's definitely going to be an online game. So yeah, and I think that with the release of Fall Guys Mobile, we are also going to see some new updates to Fall Guys and a new season definitely. So yeah, guys, I think guys that's going to be it for the video. Hope you liked it. So yeah, and please make sure to subscribe and make sure to subscribe and like my video because this video has taken me a long time. And if you don't know, my next video it's going to be one of the best ideas of videos I ever have, and I think that you're definitely going to like it. So yeah, make sure to watch that. Make sure to subscribe to get notified when my next video will be launched. It will be launched like in 2 or 3 days. But yeah, so I think that's going to be it for the video. So I would say goodbye and have a good day.